Understanding the phrase, cry fowl, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, cry fowl. Now, you might be thinking, what does that mean? Well, you're in the right place to find out. We're going to break down this phrase, explain its meaning, and show you how to use it in a sentence. So, stay tuned, and let's dive into it together. First things first, it's important to clarify that the correct phrase is actually cry fowl, not cry fowl. It's a common mistake to mix them up, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what cry fowl means. So, what does cry fowl mean? To cry fowl means to complain about something because you believe it is wrong or unfair. Essentially, you're expressing disapproval or objection to a situation, often because you think someone is not playing by the rules. The phrase, cry fowl, originates from sports and games. Imagine a game where a player believes that the other side is cheating or not following the rules. They would cry foul, calling attention to the unfair play. Over time, this phrase has evolved and is now used in various contexts, not just sports. Let's go through some examples to help you understand how to use cry foul in a sentence. 1. When the politician lost the election, he cried foul, claiming that the voting process was rigged. 2. The customer cried foul when he realized the product he purchased was defective and the store refused to refund his money. 3. The players cried foul when the referee made a controversial call during the game. In each of these examples, someone is expressing disapproval or objection because they believe something unfair or unjust has happened. And there you have it, folks. We've covered what cry fowl means, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, it's all about expressing disapproval or objection when you think something is not right. We hope this video has been helpful and has cleared up any confusion about this phrase. Don't forget to practice using it in your own sentences to really master its usage. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.